Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and fix WhatsApp status couldn't send error. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply going to go and step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do, first thing would be for you to access your Play Store and see if your app is updated or not. Go to search bar, type in WhatsApp and see if it's updated or not, because if it's not, you're gonna find this update option instead of the open. Go ahead, tap on it and update your WhatsApp. Now once you have access your WhatsApp, so you want to try to upload a status for you, but take a look at your network connection. If it's not good, if it's like going off and on in between, that can cause the problem, because you were trying to record, but when it's time to upload, the net is gone. So that will be one of the reasons. Make sure you have a good connection. If your Wi-Fi is not so great, simply switch to your mobile data instead and try to upload it. And so that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. If you got more questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.